There's no field or industry today that's moving as fast as technology. It's changed how we live, work, and connect with others. Hi, we're SmartBear. We help software development teams everywhere focus on the work that matters to them, so they can make the software that matters to you. The teams behind the technology that make our world a better place have a complex job. Our goal is to help them do their best work, with tools that give them the visibility to quickly resolve issues and deploy quality software, which gives them the confidence to try newer and better features. The award-winning tools that we build here and here let teams deploy new software here and deliver with confidence. This is what makes us excited to come to work. And these things aren't bad either.
I've been able to have work-life balance.
Everyone was just really friendly, very welcoming.
It's not a big deal if you've never done this before.
This is definitely a company that wants to see you succeed.
It is single-handedly the best place I've ever worked.
You can build your career at every level, no matter what team you're on. We love seeing SmartBears advance their careers. Here are some examples. Dana started as an SDR, now she's an account manager. Tamil was a support engineer, and now he's a product manager. Stephanie started out as a marketing manager, and now she's a director. Meet Frank, our CEO. He started out as our chief revenue officer. Now he's the boss. These successful sales folks started out as SDRs. That means they didn't need experience with sales or software. Our training program helped them learn from the ground up. At SmartBear, you can show up as your truest self. Join us in celebrating and respecting our differences, experiences, viewpoints, nationalities, identities. We're powered by innovation and not afraid to try again and succeed. We believe in giving back to our communities locally around the world. In fact, we highly encourage it. Are you looking for a company with opportunity? We're bursting with it. Life is too short not to work at a company that is winning. You may not know this, but we are one of the top performing software companies in the world, backed by loads of recognition from the industry, our investors, and analysts. It all comes down to who you work with. We're creators and storytellers, award winners, tech geeks, pet lovers, athletes, pie-eating contestants, pottery lovers, military families, world travelers, hippies, yuppies, bakers, bikers, snackers. We're SmartBears, and you could be one too. Come join our crew.